Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we saw some very big inflows to the exchanges on Elrond. This is not like the other video, this is almost 500,000 Elronds which went onto exchanges. And before anybody's panic, I wanted to get a head start on this problem and discuss why I'm not concerned about this. Also, I'm gonna make my point why I still don't think that we are in the bear market, why I do think that this is only a bear trap and a manipulation. And in the end, we will talk a bit about MEX tokens, what are my plans with it, but it's very simple. Okay, before we start for real, if you want to get in contact with me, Twitter and Discord links in the descriptions, feel free to use them. Let's start now. So, exchange flow around, almost 500,000, 470,000 Elrond flew into the exchanges or exchange, and the reason I'm not really surprised or concerned is the following. One, I do believe that yes, some people might have lost their patience. They don't really believe that this is gonna go up. They do accept another dump, which could eventually happen, maybe even tomorrow or next week. The other thing is that, and that is strange, why I don't think that this is only people selling, is because this extra supply, I mean, since 31st of May, 1 million Elrond went onto exchanges, and almost all these coins went onto Binance. Now I don't know how, I know that Binance is the biggest, but I would be very surprised if all the Elrond community used only Binance. We have a couple of exchanges here, and yeah, but it's still possible. It's still possible that everybody is using Binance to sell their Elrond, but still it's a bit strange. Why I am not concerned is the following. We have now a 70,800,000 circulating supply, from which 11 million, almost 200,000 is staked. That is still 62.8% of the total supply staked. That is very good, because we had huge dumps and the short-term future of the coin does not look good, and I can see that that everybody is still having their diamond hands, and I'm very happy about that. I also didn't sell any Elrond at all. Now if you want to check here, the total staked is increasing only by 0.033%, but it's still not bad at all. So why I don't think that we are in the bear market, and for that I'm gonna go again for the on-chain data now. The reason I don't think that we are in the bear market, this is the 2017, this is today, and as you can see, the exchange deposits in the 2017 near the peak have gone like from around 50 and 75k to 200, 250, but even the 170k is a lot. Right now we have around 100 was the highest, and then 70, 75, and now we are around the 50,000s, 50, 60,000s. This here looks like profit taking. This is when you take profits. This is when everybody at once dumps Bitcoin onto exchanges and takes profit. This doesn't look like that. This one looks like a normal middle of the bull run. Let's take some profit, but not too much. Still buying, still selling. Newcomers are buying and they are selling, they are losing, and wealth accumulating type of thing. Therefore I just don't really see why we would enter the bear market right now, and this is why I think that we are still in this bear trap, and we just need to wait. How much? Somebody asked me in the comments yesterday. I don't think that this parabolic run, if it's gonna happen, it's going to happen in June or July. I am expecting somewhere in September, October. That is my guess. This is only my opinion and my guess that things will change somewhere around September, October. That will be the time when people are just bored of the stagnation and sidelining of the Bitcoin, and they will gonna say, okay, I'm just gonna buy it, and yeah, if it goes down, it goes down. I waited a couple of months, I don't want to check it anymore. I will just buy and hold until it goes up. The other thing which I can decide whether this is bull or bear market indicator is the accumulation, because yes, the accumulation has started. There was a big sell when newcomers bought. I mean, there was this distribution period, and now everybody is accumulating. People are just buying just a bit, because the transactions are at 3 years all-time low. There is no much transactions on Bitcoin, therefore I would think that everybody is just waiting. That's why I think that everybody is waiting. At one point everybody will just be too bored to stay on the sidelines and will say, yeah, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna buy some, maybe not all in, but I'm just gonna buy some, let's see what happens. And that's when the price will start to move for real. Regarding MEX tokens, as you can see, week 7 is in now. It's the snapshots of week 8. There will be 12 weeks of snapshots. After that, the MEX tokens will be locked for 12 months. I mean, 90% of your MEX tokens will be locked for 12 months. And after the 12 months, they will release but every month 10% of your MEX tokens. This is to avoid pump and dump situations, and I do think that this is a good idea, because I'm not a big fan of the pump and dump. It is usually designed to for some people to lose money. My guess on the MEX token is that right now at the release will be just a couple of cents, therefore I don't really care whether they lock it or not. For a year I'm gonna lock all of it. I will not sell any of my MEX tokens, and I will leave it there a couple of years, probably until I see something with what we saw with Uniswap, which, yeah, could happen next year or in 2023. We don't know it yet. So conclusion, let's just be patient, let's not panic. Elrond exchange flow, what went to the exchanges is just so low. We have 3 million Elrond on the exchanges, which is 16.6% of the total supply. 63% is staked, locked, at least for 10 years, but I don't think that people will unstake it only because the price is going down right now, at least not the big investors, and the rest is on wallets, web wallets, Maiar wallets, hard wallets. Therefore I do think that this community is very, very diamond handed, and yeah, I'm glad that I am part of it. So take care, subscribe, like the video if you like the channel, and yeah, see you tomorrow.